In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import your subscribers into MailerLite and build a welcome automation sequence that runs itself. Whether you're setting up your email list for the first time or refining your existing workflow, this complete guide will take you from a blank dashboard to a fully automated welcome system that engages every new contact the moment they join. MailerLite is one of the most user-friendly and powerful email marketing platforms out there, especially if you're looking for a tool that balances advanced features with a clean, intuitive interface. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, we need to get your subscribers into MailerLite. Head over to the Subscribers dashboard menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where all your contacts live, and it's the hub for managing who receives your emails. Once you're there, click the Add Subscribers button. You'll see a few different options for how you want to bring your data in, and choosing the right method depends entirely on where your subscribers currently are. If you have a CSV or TXT file saved on your computer, that's often the quickest route. If you're working with a spreadsheet you've been maintaining in Excel or Google Sheets, the copy and paste option works beautifully. And for anyone migrating from another platform like MailChimp, MailerLite offers a direct import tool that makes the switch seamless. The key here is to pick the method that feels most natural to your current setup, because all of them ultimately accomplish the same goal. Once you've selected your file or pasted your data, you'll be taken to the column mapping screen. This is one of the most important steps, and it's where a lot of beginners accidentally trip up. MailerLite will try to automatically match the columns in your file to the custom fields in your account. Things like first name, last name, email address, and any other information you've collected from your subscribers. Take a moment to double check that every column is mapped correctly. For example, if your spreadsheet has a column labeled first name, make sure MailerLite recognizes it as the first name field and not something else. If you have custom fields you've already set up, like a phone number or birthday, you can map those here as well. A best practice tip is to always clean your data before importing. Remove any duplicate emails and make sure formatting is consistent, because dirty data can cause delivery issues down the line. After you've confirmed your mappings, you'll have the opportunity to organize your contacts by assigning them to a specific group. Groups are essentially segments or labels that let you send targeted emails to the right people. If you have a group for newsletter subscribers and another for customers who bought a specific product, assigning new imports to the correct group from the start saves you hours of manual sorting later. Go ahead and choose or create the appropriate group, then finalize the import. Now that your subscribers are safely inside MailerLite, it's time to build the automation that will welcome them properly. Navigate to the Automations tab from the main menu and select Create Workflow. Automations are the backbone of any serious email strategy because they ensure that new signups immediately receive a confirmation or lead magnet without you having to send a single email manually. Think of it as setting up a chain reaction. Someone takes an action like joining a group, and MailerLite does the rest. When you create a new workflow, you'll be asked to choose a trigger. This is the event that starts everything. Set your trigger to when a subscriber joins a group. This is perfect because it aligns with the group you just assigned during the import step. From here, click the plus icon directly underneath the trigger to add your first email step. This email will be your welcome message, so make it count. Use the built-in drag-and-drop editor to design an introductory newsletter layout that reflects your brand's personality. You don't need to be a designer to create something professional. Just drag in a heading, a bit of body text, maybe an image or a button, and keep the tone warm and inviting. Remember, this is the first impression your new subscriber has of your email experience, so include a clear call to action that guides them to your lead magnet or to explore your content further. Once your email is designed and you're happy with how it looks, switch the workflow toggle to active. This turns on the automated delivery sequence, and from that moment forward, any subscriber who joins the group you selected will instantly receive your welcome email. A common pitfall here is forgetting to test the workflow before you activate it. I strongly recommend sending a test email to yourself first, just to make sure everything looks right across different devices and email clients. Also, consider adding a slight delay before the email sends. Even a 1-minute pause can improve deliverability by mimicking natural human behavior. With your welcome sequence live, you've effectively handed off the heavy lifting to MailerLite, freeing you up to focus on creating content and growing your list. To wrap things up, you've now successfully imported your subscribers into MailerLite and set up a fully automated welcome sequence that engages every new contact from the moment they join. This workflow not only saves you time, but also builds trust with your audience by delivering immediate value. As a next step, think about expanding your automation to include a second or third email that nurtures new subscribers over several days, perhaps sharing your best blog post or offering a discount code. If you ever need to revisit these steps, feel free to save this video or come back anytime. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.